With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have been given a list and we have to differentiate among the activities given here on the basis of voluntary and involuntary muscles. Now, we all know that muscle is a special type of tissue found in the animal body which has contractile properties, and due to the contractile activity of the muscles, that is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation, various kinds of movements and locomotions are possible for animals. But we further divide muscles into three main categories, out of which the first is that of skeletal muscles. Now, why are the skeletal muscles called so? Because they remain closely associated to, they remain attached to the bones, and all of the voluntary actions that we are carrying out on a day-to-day basis, sitting, standing, walking, running, they are under the control of these skeletal muscles, and because we can control them with conscious effort, these are also called the voluntary muscles. And if we look at them under the microscope, they are going to appear striated, they are going to show alternate light and dark bands. So these three names can be given to the skeletal muscles. We can call them voluntary, striated, or skeletal muscles, and all of the activities that we are consciously carrying out, it is because of these muscles. Second, we have our visceral muscles. Now, these are called visceral because they are found in our internal organs. For example, in our digestive system, our stomach, our intestine, the muscles that we are going to find there are the visceral muscles, and they are involuntary. Obviously, we cannot control the movement of food further along our alimentary canal simply by thinking about it. It is not under our control. So these muscles are involuntary, and if we look at their appearance, they are also not going to show the striations which the skeletal muscles had. So these are the smooth, involuntary, or visceral muscles. Third kind of muscle we have, it is a cardiac muscle, and as the name suggests, it is found only in our heart. But when you look at its structure, the cardiac muscle is going to be branched. It is going to show striations like the skeletal muscle, but obviously it is not voluntary, it's an involuntary type of muscle. We cannot control our heartbeat by conscious effort. So if we look at the list given in the question, first they are saying jumping of frog. Now, any such voluntary activity is going to be under the control of our skeletal muscle. So this is voluntary. This is under the control of voluntary muscle. Then pumping of the heart, obviously involuntary. Cardiac muscles are not under our control, and these are found in the heart. Then writing with the hand is again a voluntary action. All of the muscles that are in our arms, legs, our limbs, they are the voluntary type of muscle. So writing is also voluntary activity. And finally, movement of chocolate in our intestine. It is carried out by the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of our visceral muscles, which are associated with internal organs. So these muscles are involuntary. They are not under our control. Again, we are going to write involuntary over here. So out of these, jumping of frog and writing in case of man, they are voluntary activities under the control of skeletal muscles, whereas pumping of the heart, our heartbeat, and movement of chocolate, or for that matter any kind of food along our gut, is under the control of involuntary muscles.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.